Our journey begins with raw materials arriving at the factory. Steel sheets for the blades, copper coils for the motor, and plastic parts for the housing. Workers inspect every batch to make sure it meets production standards. After unloading, the materials are sorted and stored. Blades, motor components, copper wire, and screws are arranged so workers can quickly access what they need during production. The first part to be shaped is the blade. A worker feeds a steel sheet into a hydraulic cutting machine. Each press cuts out the exact shape of a ceiling fan blade. To achieve the correct curve, the blade is placed inside a molding press. Under high pressure, the blade bends into the aerodynamic shape that helps move air efficiently. Next, workers smooth the edges using grinders and sanding tools. This step removes sharp corners and ensures the blade won't wobble during rotation. Each blade is tested for balance. A specialized balancing machine detects even the smallest imperfections, and workers add tiny weights if necessary to ensure perfect stability. Now it's time to build the heart of the fan, the motor. Technicians carefully wind copper wire around the motor core. Precision is key here because this determines the fan's power and speed. Magnets are installed, the rotor and stator are aligned, and internal parts are secured. These steps turn copper wire and metal parts into a functioning electric motor. Before moving on, every motor is tested. Workers check rotation speed, vibration levels, and noise. Any motor that doesn't meet the standard is corrected or discarded. Next, the fan parts enter the painting stage. Workers hang the blades on racks and apply a primer coat, protecting them from rust and improving paint adhesion. Once the primer dries, workers spray the final color. Every stroke must be even, ensuring the fan looks clean and smooth in your home. Now, assembly begins. Workers prepare the motor housing, arrange screws, and set up wiring components. Every fan moves down the conveyor line step by step. The blades are then attached to the motor brackets. Workers carefully align the holes and tighten each screw so the blades remain balanced during operation. Technicians connect the electrical wiring, capacitors, and safety components. This determines how smoothly the fan switches between different speed levels. Every assembled fan undergoes a full spin test. Workers run the fan at multiple speeds, listening for unusual sounds and checking for vibration or wobbling. Quality control officers inspect each unit. They check the blade angle, screw tightness, paint finish, and safety standards. Only fans that pass all checks move forward. Finishing workers clean the fan, polish the surfaces, and add the brand label. This is the final touch before packaging. Each fan is carefully placed into foam molds and boxed with manuals, screws, and accessories. Proper packaging prevents damage during transportation. Workers label the boxes and scan them into the inventory system. This ensures accurate tracking and delivery. And finally, the packaged ceiling fans are loaded onto trucks and shipped to stores and homes worldwide. From raw materials to a finished product, this is how a ceiling fan is made.